Happy Sunday, everybody. Made a little bit of progress yesterday. I was able to remove this assembly from the bed of the 45. It was in this area right here, and today I'm going to continue getting all this rotten wood out of here and finish cleaning up this area. And weather's changing. It's cooler. The wind is blowing, moving through the trees. I love this weather. I don't mind it so much when it gets snowy and cold here. Sure beats hot LA. And air is clear. Let's go see what that sound is. That's that lead locomotive. Probably just warming up or something. I don't know. Anyway, made some really good discoveries on this truck here. May be hard to see, but the stamp on the glass is dated 245. And she's cleaning up to be quite promising. I think this is the one I'm going to keep. Put the 40 up for sale, pretty cheap. Just want to move it along to somebody who, that's the 40. Found the same glass, same stamps on the glass, dating around 840 or something like that. Anyway, let's get started. All right, well, I'm not a professional videographer, and I know my voice sounds muffled because I still have the HEPA filter mask on my face. I didn't want to breathe all this old dust and dirt and old wood, but I forgot to push record, so all of that was in here. And it took me about 6 minutes to break it out. 10 minutes, really, but oh well. So this is what my other Chevy looks like underneath all the wood. So let's go have a quick look at the bed on the other Chevy. That's what that new bed is going to look like when I finish it. So, all the wood was full of sugar ants, and they had to go because I don't want them invading everything else. So sorry about that. I'll be back. Okay, we're rolling. Okay. Chain fell off, but that's perfect. I want to have it. I'll roll this truck back and have it closer to the garage here, so it's less on the grass over here. After I get it running, it's going to go to a friend's house. So I got to clean all of that crap up there, pull the truck back or push it back, and then that's it. Be right back. Okay, gonna roll her back a bit. So just turn the wheel to the left a little bit. Right. Yeah. Come straight back a bit more. Okay, perfect. That's perfect where I need it. Yeah. Plenty of room to walk down the side. I'm almost finished. burning that crap with the old M41 tent heater. It's chilly today, but not ice cold, it's just cool. So this helps out a little bit. And I've got some troop seat stanchions together. Both trucks had all of the stanchions, so I put them in. I gotta get that one out right now. The other one was super hard because they're rusted in place, but I think I'll be able to get it out. Anyway, back from the street a little bit, which is good. And oh, look what I found. No bolts in the fuel tank mount. There's one missing there too. And on the inside of the frame, the fuel tank wasn't mounted down very well. I'll have to fix that. So I think it's going to do it for this one. Truck is looking better. It's getting cleaned up more. So thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Later.